How to blur faces or object in videos on CapCut. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To blur a face or an object on your CapCut, launch a CapCut application in your device. Now over here, tap on New Project and select on the video in which you are supposed to hide or blur out the image of the person or the object. Now firstly, what we will do is we will just tap on the video, then we will duplicate the video. Then click on the duplicate video and select on overlay. Adjust it right on top of the original video. After that, you need to tap on the duplicate video, then scroll until you see the option of effect and tap on it. Select on video effect and select on the blur effect. Once it is all blurred out, now next step would be to tap on the duplicate option once again. Then this time scroll until you see the option of mask. Then click on the option. Select on the circle one, or based on the shape, select on it and adjust it accordingly. Then tap on the tick mark option. After which, just click on the play button. And as you can see, the photo or the image of the person, as you can see, the face of the person has been blurred out. Now for some reason, if this is not working, check out a mask once again and make sure you have actually set on the invert button, as the invert button will help you to blur out. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.